Hi friends, welcome back to a lifestyle. Today we are going to make chickee pull-up. Take a bottle that is cut at bottom and up. Add the fried chicken, capsicum, coriander leaves, onion, lettuce, capsicum, semium boiled with salt, mushroom cooked with salt and pepper, milk and mayonnaise mix, ketchup, black pepper powder, salt, crushed chips, sweet and sour sauce, chicken fried, semium boiled with salt, mushroom cooked with pepper and salt, capsicum, lettuce, onion, chips, milk and mayonnaise mix, chilli flakes, chicken fried, milk and mayonnaise mix, and finally ketchup. You can arrange the order according to your favor. Pull the bottle slowly. Now our chickee pull-up is ready. It has a variety taste. You must try this.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.